Are you guys ready to make s'mores or what?
Yeah!
You want red? What color do you want, Fred? Of course.
Oh, we're gonna put 2 marshmallows on it.
Yeah, I know. Just put it right above the fire, okay? Don't put it in it and don't let it touch the rocks.
I like it burnt.
You like it burnt? Oh, you want to catch it on fire? That's how I like mine.
I will.
Oh, it's on fire! It's on fire!
Blow it.
Blow it out. There you go. That's a good one. Oh, yeah. Now you're roasting. Oh, it's on fire. It is on fire. Call the fire department. All right, let mommy do it.
That one's all black.
Yeah, that's how I like mine. Nice and crispy.
You can have one. I'll make this one for you.
Oh, no thank you. I don't want one. But thanks for offering. You didn't roast those at all. You feel that? That's just a warm marshmallow. You could put that in your pocket and warmed it up. Just as good.
I don't want to eat this one because it's all black.
Okay. Hang on.
Okay.
Well, don't let it fall off.
I hope you, Wesley. No way, I got it. Wait, I got it under control. Put it way down like this. Put it on the side.
Don't put it in there.
Now I got some burns.
Yeah, it's getting a little roasty toasty. Let me try. Watch out. Look out.
Chocolates for anybody. Chocolates for anybody. Chocolate.
Fred.
Yeah. Take a bite. Let me know how it tastes. I'm gonna live vicariously through you. Good?
All right, here you go.
Mommy, look at mine.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. Take a bite. Let me know how it tastes. Good? Perfect? Oh man, that was gooey. What's that face about? There's people always walking on the railroad tracks. What are you doing? Do they not realize trains come like every 10 minutes?
Oh my god, people are walking on the train track.
I know, that's what I just said. They're gonna get hit by a train, run over.
Yeah, they should have walked on the side of it.
Yep. Now, did you want to show me your tent?
Yeah.
All right, this is Wesley and Layla. Welcome to their crib. Oh, nice. Show me around what you got in here.
So this is where we sleep. Yeah, but we forgot to get stuffed animals.
Oh yeah, you should probably get a stuffed animal.
Okay. Look at this.
Ooh, nice. It's iridescent. Hold on a second, I gotta get the light for the tent. See this? This is the light we got to hang up in there
Hey guys.
so it won't be too dark.
Hey Daddy. Look
What?
at mine. I got a giraffe.
Ooh, nice. Oh, hold on, I forgot the hook for this. Pretty good, man, pretty good.
Where are you gonna This is get your no shoes allowed.
Okay, hold on. I just gotta put this light up here. See if I can hook it up.
Then we're going to see what it looks like when we turn it on.
All right, now hold on. Where's the power button?
I know.
You know? You don't know. Oh, it's also a flashlight. Let's see here.
Oh, no.
No, that's not it. That's like a bottle opener. I think you just turn it like this. There we go.
Flashlight. Now turn it off because we...
No, it will last all night.
Oh.
So you can leave it on. It's going crazy on the camera. It looks like it's strobing. Look, you see that?
Oh, let me see.
See how it looks on the camera?
Oh.
It's like flashing. That's cray cray.
Wait, look at our Five Nights at Freddy's pillow. Look at mine.
Where's Daddy sleeping?
Over here. Train is coming. Where is it? I see it.
It's honking its horn. Go like this when it goes past and it will honk its horn. It will blow its whistle. Do it, do it, do it. Stand up so it can see you. So loud. It's so loud. Hey, what you doing, Chef Boyardee?
Fell off the stick.
Good Lord. Dripping your hot dog juices all in my fire pit. How was the boating trip?
Good.
Good? Was the water cold?
Mm-hmm.
You got lobster fly, man. They didn't have any sunscreen?
I didn't think I needed it.
Man, how cold was it?
Pretty cold.
Come on, man. You knocked it off again? That's not how you put it on there, first of all. Hold it up. Put it on like this, long ways. That's how you gotta put it on. Are you sleeping outside?
Yeah.
Whatever.
I'm serious.
Mom's sleeping in the middle.
Mom's sleeping in the middle. How'd you bust your lip? You don't remember? Good grief. You're an accident waiting to happen.
I don't know how that happened.
Let me see.
It's pretty good.
Doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look too bad. Did she get buns?
Yeah.
Okay. You gonna make a hot dog?
Oh yeah.
Do you want to cook your own or you want Fred to make yours?
I'll do my own.
You cooking one too, Pikachu?
Yeah.
What? Don't touch the rocks, Layla. Don't touch the rocks. Yeah, don't catch the hot dog on fire like you did your marshmallow. You don't want that.
Hey, you're not my lawn.
It's a hot dog fight.
Get off my lawn.
Hey, you guys still have plastic things on them. You didn't take the plastic things off the other side. They're gonna melt.
Yes.
You got it? Man, you're strong. Hercules, Hercules.
I'm holding my white milk while I'm doing it.
Oh yeah, you're a multitasker. How was your hot dog?
Good.
Nice. Hey man, back up off me.
Hey, it's mine.
Hey, back up off me, man.
Hey, give me some. You need to give me some burn. No, remember it was a fight. Baby, burn. The hot dog was getting a
Burn,
fight.
baby, burn.
No, the hot dogs are fighting.
I know.
Hey, this is my fire.
Dueling dogs.
Oh no. Ken, get out of the tent. No food allowed.
And no food allowed in the tent. You're gonna attract bears.
I got the anti-sea bear.
Anti-sea bear?
I got an anti-sea bear.
Oh my god. This isn't SpongeBob.
Is mine ready yet? No.
Man, I don't know why, Layla, but your hot dog is drooping. Oh, here come the ducks in. Coming for a landing.
There's a white thing in the pond.
Oh, blah, blah, blah.
A white thing in the pond.
A white thing in the pond? What is it?
I don't know.
Oh.
Can I go look?
You can go look if you want.
Can I come with
I'm not going with you. Go check it out. Go observe and report back.
Jack, the report.
Look at my hot dog.
Oh yeah, man.
Boy.
What you got on there? Ketchup and honey mustard? That looks delicious. Take a bite, let me know how it tastes.
Mmm.
Mmm.
I'm not going with out. I need somebody.
She needs you to go with her to act as security so she can investigate the white thing in the pond.
Come with
Is
me.
it right there?
Now go check it out. Come back, tell me what it is. But be careful,
Why?
because it could be the mysterious killer white pond blob.
We discovered something.
You discovered something? What was it?
There's some green stuff in the pond.
Green stuff?
Yeah.
You know what that is?
What?
Algae. It's a type of plant.
Wait, what happens if you touch it?
Your hand will probably disintegrate and fall off.
Oh, I didn't touch it.
Did you touch it?
No.
Are you sure?
No?
Let me see your hand. Oh my god.
What?
I see it on one of your hands.
No!
I'm just kidding.
All it was is a trash bag.
A trash bag?
Mm-hmm.
That's littering. That's not good for the environment. We'll pick it up tomorrow. You have ketchup on your face. You have ketchup on your face. Oh my god, Layla, your hand's gone. Just kidding, gosh.
Oh, that's why I'm getting scared. I think it's time for scary stories.
You want to tell scary stories? Are we going to learn about the toxic algae in the pond that disintegrates your body parts?
Okay.
Is that the story you want to hear?
Yeah, I need to say it.
Huh?
Once upon a time, there was a little girl. She went to a pond. She saw something white. She came to look at it. Then she touched it, and the thing got onto her arm. Then she turned into a monster.
A monster? Ah!
Then she died.
Died?
Then Leia went there. The same thing happened to her.
The same thing happened?
Stop saying that. Then happened to Caden
Caden too?
and Mom.
And Mom? Where you going?
Why is
She's scared. Your story was too scary for her. What's the problem? Just open the door. Oh, you can't open the door because you have no hands.
I can't.
Did you come out here to tell me your ghost story? All right, come over here and tell me.
At night, people was camping, and they went to sleep.
They went to sleep?
And when they went to sleep, after they went to sleep, a bear comes and found a tent, and the bear broke in, and when they woke up, there was a bear in it. And they had to run out the tent and go to their car.
No, you know
What kind of bear was it?
Grizzly?
Was it a grizzly bear?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
And
They went to their car.
and that bear went to their car, and they locked the doors, and they got back to their house in time. So then they were safe.
Oh my gosh, they survived?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought the bear was going to have a delicious meal.
Oh.
Oh, I'm saving my story for inside the tent when it gets a little bit darker out here. Because I got a good one.
I need to keep this one in my head.
Oh, you're going to save it?
Yep.
All right. I can't wait to hear it.
Okay, do you want to hear my next story?
Do you want to tell me now or do you want to save it for the tent?
Tell you now.
All right, tell me.
At a scary night, people was camping. They didn't want to sleep at night.
Yes.
So then when they didn't want to sleep, they saw a fox,
A fox?
a wolf I mean,
A wolf?
and it come to their house, and it got them.
It got them?
And when they woke up, it was still there, and one of them got eaten.
Oh my gosh, it was the big bad wolf.
And then when it comes in their house, it got from the chimney. It got fire. It got on fire,
It got on fire?
and it oofed.
It oofed?
Yeah,
What does that mean?
you know here in Roblox.
Oof! No, I know.